Dear Heavenly Father, I praise you and I give you all the glory. I thank you for the gift of another day to experience your love and goodness. I want to thank you for all the blessings in my life. In your hands I place today. I will rejoice with gladness for your grace and your blessings. Lord, I am grateful for the simple things that bring joy to my life. Thank you for the people in my life who bring me happiness and support. I am grateful for my loved ones and for my friends. Thank you for the relationships that enrich my life and bring me comfort. I am grateful for your love and forgiveness, O Lord. Today I praise you for your faithfulness and unconditional love towards me and my loved one. Lord, you are the source of all goodness and mercy, and I thank you for your presence in my life and for always being there